Okay, so we are going to review yesterday, which was the distance between 2 points, which is we're looking for the hypotenuse. So, in order to find the hypotenuse, which is this line right here, we need to count these boxes and then use Pythagorean theorem. So, we're going to count this bottom leg. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? And then we're going to use Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. We're going to use a, which is 5 squared, plus b squared, which is 12 squared. And when we add that in our calculator, we get 169. Okay, c is not by itself, and we're looking for it to be by itself, so we need to take the square root of 169 in order to get c by itself, because the opposite of squaring a number is taking the square root. Square root of 169 is 13. The units that go with this would be 13 units as your answer. Okay, our next example is this one right here. We're still looking for the length between these 2 points, which is still our hypotenuse. We need to count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we would do 12 squared plus 9 squared equals c squared. 12 squared plus 9 squared is 225 equals c squared. The square root of 225 is 15 equals c. So my answer is 15 units.